The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a machine engineered for the purist. With every curve sharpened and every component optimized, it's not just a car, it's a track weapon disguised in road-legal form. Its presence commands attention with aggressive aerodynamics that scream performance. From the massive swan neck rear wing to the aggressive front splitter and side air intakes, the exterior is all about downforce and cooling. Carbon fiber elements reduce weight and enhance the GT3 RS's race-bred stance. The body is wider than the standard GT3, and the stance is lower, more planted, and unmistakably built for corners. The large hood vents, louvered fenders, and massive diffuser work together to deliver maximum grip and stability at high speeds. Asterisk. Step inside, and the interior mirrors the same performance-first philosophy. Lightweight bucket seats made from carbon fiber. Reinforced plastic offer serious bolstering and support. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara with yellow center markings, and behind it are metal paddle shifters for absolute control. The interior is stripped of excess and focused on the drive. A roll cage in the Club Sport package and optional fire extinguisher emphasize the track intent. The instrument cluster is fully digital with track-optimized layouts, including shift indicators and tire pressure monitoring. Porsche's infotainment system remains discreet but functional, with minimal distractions. Door pulls replace handles to save grams. Even the carpets and insulation are minimized to cut weight. It's raw, focused, and thrilling. Asterisk under the hood. The naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine revs to a screaming 9,000 RPM, delivering 525 horsepower to the rear wheels through a lightning-quick 7-speed PDK transmission. Acceleration is breathtaking, reaching 0 to 60 in just about 3.0 seconds. The top speed hovers around 184 miles per hour. But it's not the straight-line numbers that define the GT3 RS. It's the way it carves corners with surgical precision. Rear axle steering, PASM adaptive suspension, and massive carbon ceramic brakes make sure every input translates directly to the road. The aerodynamic package delivers over 900 kilograms of downforce at high speed, providing uncheckable confidence in fast corners. Asterisk. Porsche's advanced active aerodynamics allow for real-time adjustments, maximizing grip under braking and high-speed stability. There's even a drag reduction system similar to Formula One, flattening the wings for higher speed on straights. Every bit of this car is engineered for lap times. The weight distribution, the grip, the balance, it all comes together with one goal: domination on the track. Asterisk. The price for this level of performance and engineering doesn't come cheap. The 2026 GT3 RS starts around $250,000, but that figure quickly rises with options like the WASEC package, which adds more carbon fiber, magnesium wheels, and active aero tweaks. For many, this car isn't just a purchase, it's an experience. A statement. A culmination of decades of motorsport DNA fused into one of the most hardcore road cars Porsche has ever made. Asterisk. It's not for casual cruising, it's not for comfort. It's for those who wake up craving apexes, who dream of red lines and tire. Squeal. The 2026 GT3 RS isn't just a car, it's a weapon. It's Porsche unleashed.